morning, welcome back to the channel. It's 10:30 a.m. on Sunday and we've had our breakfast. We're still here on Railay Beach and we're about to get on the ferry now to go down to Koh Lanta. Everything's been really efficient here, fantastic hotel, we've got a brilliant 5 days. We're looking forward to the next part of the adventure, so let's go. We're here. So we didn't quite expect this, so initially we got on one of the longboats, so I'm guessing that we're being taken to Krabi Town main pier, where we then get the ferry to Koh Lanta. Okay, so we worked out what's happening here. The ferry can't get into these waters because it's too shallow, so we're going to have some fun and games because we're going to have to climb from this longboat up the side of the ferry to get on board. We're going to be like Somali pirates. So here is the ferry and the Somali pirates are coming. Once on board, it was a really pleasant cruise to Koh Lanta, which took just over 2 hours from Onang to Saladan Pier. On arrival, chaos ensued as dozens of Tuk Tuk taxi riders shouted for our custom. We chose the quietest, not realising that secretly our pilot and Charlie was a wishful Isle of Man TT rider.
Okay? Let's go.
Well, that was easy enough. Here we go. Yeah. And we're up to second place now. And just see the leader in the distance as she's shaping up for an overtaking move. We're in the slipstream. And here we go. Oh, DRS can't be working. Here we go, guys. On with the DRS, on with the turbo boost. Hey! So we're here at the Mellow Mango.
Thank you. Don't worry, we'll
Just put it there.
You done for light or done?
It's good? Yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, like
Very
yeah, very good. Yeah.
Thank you
Very
much.
fast.
You won the race.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, thank
See you
you.
tomorrow.
On our first day at the Mellow Mango, we met Sally from Australia, who joined us as we set out to explore the island by scooter and seek out the Pirates Beach on the southern tip of Koh Lanta. This remote beach did take some finding, but the reward was like something out of a Robinson Crusoe novel. It was soon time to head back to the Mellow Mango on the bikes, head to one of the many cool beach bars for cocktails and enjoy the nightfall vibes.
Right, Sally, cheers. Really nice to meet you.
Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers. Nice to meet you, Sally. Welcome to the At Hayes 1955 MTB team.
Yes, it's fantastic. I'm loving every minute of it. You're one of the crew now. Yeah.
Everybody that joins me on an adventure becomes an honorary member.
Well, I'm very happy to be one. I'm pleased to be part of the club.
Scuba diving day here in Thailand, and I've been picked up by the GoDive crew. I've met up with some of my dive buddies here, which is Neil over here and Kenny from America. Neil's from the UK but lives in Koh Samui, and Lorge from Sweden. So we're going to have a great day. Kenny's been diving here a couple of weeks and he says it's really good, so we're going to have a fantastic time. Well, hey. Join us next time for the conclusion of Peter and Sarah's Thailand adventures. We cross the Andaman Sea once more, this time to Koh Phi Phi, to stay in paradise away from the crowds at the Cove Resort, which is only accessible by longboat. A place to forget about the world and simply chill out and relax.